Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to remove devices connected on Instagram. So let's get started. First, let's head over to our profile. Now once you're here, click the three lines at the top right corner. Then head over to Account Center. Then click Password and Security. Then where you're logged in. Select your Instagram account here. Now once you get to this page, you'll see all of the devices that your account is logged into. In order to remove a device, click Select Devices to log out. Then select the device that you want to remove. Once you're done selecting the device that you want to remove, just click Log Out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.